What's up guys, it's NPA back with another LEGO video, and this time having the MP7A1 submachine gun. So the MP7A1, or the Machine Pistol 7, is created to replace the MP5 in terms of reliability. This gun is featured in Counter-Strike Global Offensive as a submachine gun and is available only to counter-terrorist sites. So that's enough about the gun in real life. Let's talk about some of the features of the LEGO gun. Some of the features of LEGO gun include a flippable foregrip, which is built using these slow pieces. Flip upside, just like that. The sides are flippable. Got a mag and mag catch. Also got an adjustable stock using a simple pin mechanism, just like so. So loading the gun is really simple. Just gonna take these bullets and then you're gonna put it inside the magazine, just like so.
So this thing can hold
around 15 bullets, but I'm only putting 7 because I don't want to create too much pressure. So to load the gun, you're just gonna pull the charging handle until you hear a click and a bullet goes into the chamber and you are ready to be fired. So let's test this out. Also, this gun is really reliable. I'm gonna dump this entire magazine and I can show that there's gonna be 0 jams. So first gotta extend the stock, just like that. Okay, let's fire this thing. So yeah, that is really reliable. So in conclusion, this gun is really cool. I'm really proud of this gun. I built this in around a week. This took me a week to design and build. I did took some inspiration from Monster 13. His channel link I will put down the description of the video. So let's talk again about the features. The sights are flippable, flip up and down just like so. A trigger, foregrip, mag and mag catch, and finally the retractable stock. So the thing that I don't like about the gun is actually the stock, because it's a really simple mechanism but it's not effective, because every time I retract or open the stock, it took a lot of time. It's not really convenient, but the other features work really well, just like so. Don't took my time to deploy it. You can just use it right away. Here's some aimed out the sight, really clear. Yeah, this thing actually aims up a little bit, so when you aim, the gun gonna point up a little bit, and because this is a LEGO gun, when the bullet is up and then it's gonna fall down a little bit. So this is like almost a perfect sight and land shot every single time. So that's it about for today's video, and NPA is gonna be back with another awesome LEGO creation.